So it's not 100% dark out, but I've had these out in the rain all day. And let's see. Already got the Nyasta Store 25-foot C9 Christmas pathway lights. First, I'm going to show you what you get with this in the box, see what you get. Then we'll set them up out here in the rain tonight, and we'll see how they work. All right, here we go. We got 25 ground stakes right here. We have a 25-foot cable. And, you know, these lights can be used as indoor or outdoor lights. You can see right here, you've got to put these stakes on individually, and we'll go over this too. I'll show you how to do that. You get some instructions, 2 extra bulbs, a red and a green, and inside of here we have some bulbs packaged in styrofoam, 5 different colors: red, green, blue, it's like orange, and purple. Look at that, very nice. C9s, you can see it's that little bit of the wider sized base on there, not the super thin one like we're used to in lanterns and stuff like that. But let's open these up. We got 2 spare bulbs, and these are not shatterproof bulbs, so be careful with them. We have a 25-foot length of cable right here. So it's a 2-prong plug, you can see right here, and on this end we have a fuse. This thing does pop open. You're going to need something sharp to force this open. Let me see if I can do it with this. But inside of here is 2 5-amp fuses in case the fuse pops if it gets wet. But there you go. You want to make sure you don't keep it wet. But you can string 3 of these together if you wanted to and make 75 foot of bulbs off the same electrical circuit. So as far as putting these spikes on goes, if you want to put one of these ground spikes on, let me show you how you do that. Basically, you're going to slide one side of the cable into here and one side of the cable into here and just pull it up. You can see right here, you just put one side on, snap it into place, put one side on, snap it through here, you pull it up, and now you've got your ground stake. It's ready to be staked in the ground. Then you can put your bulbs in. I would suggest putting all of these on first if you're going to use them for ground, and then from there put the bulbs in afterwards. But let's get these things set up and see how they look. There's about 12 inches between each of these, so there you go. So once you get these stakes going on here and you start putting the stakes onto the line, it's pretty easy. You get a groove going and it becomes easier as you go along. I plug this into a GFCI outlet with a little extension cord off the end of my patio so that this is out of the weather. I just stake these around my patio, have it ended up here, and I covered the end of that plug right there with the piece of electrical tape just in case. I don't know if I needed to, but I did. So the only thing left to do is see what it looks like at night. What do you think, Rigatoni? Good boy. So it's not 100% dark out, but I've had these out in the rain all day. And let's see. Worked out pretty good. It surrounded my whole patio there. Pretty cool. Works great. Looks good.